All right, as you know, I also love gold. So let's see how that panned out with gold this week. I didn't really do anything because I said if it doesn't come back, I don't want to get in there because of the big gap. But if you're trading it, if you're scalping it, you can still use time and price. So if you take a look at what we've got here, this is Tuesday, right? And market's going sideways. So as long as we're going sideways, there is only one thing we can do is if according to the bias, just buy the lows, right? So let's put this up here. So what the market do at the trading hours. Okay, and this is New York. This is that 4:30 I talked about. Market trading hours, and it's just to the upside, nice and easy. Okay, just nice and easy. As you can see, it's gone into the next trading hour, which is this one here. Okay, which is 4:30, right? So from 3:40, let's do this so it's all clear. Okay, this is 3:40, right? It's a 15-minute chart. So 3:40, market shoots up into 4:30, which is right there. Okay, from one to the other, and that's also a trading hour here. All right. So that movement is from there. Also from here, this is London pre-trade session, London session, New York pre-trade session, going into, like I said, 4:30 p.m. my time. That's in New York, 8:30 in the morning. Right, so that's how it is. And we'll see how that pans out. Okay, because I didn't go into gold, I didn't look at it simply because I don't want to be buying it until we're back down here. And if like Monday, Tuesday, we're going like this, what we might see in the market is a sharp downfall to be bought again. And that's what I'd like to see happen. So if the market does, do a pullback into this zone, you see I've marked it here with the white lines. If it dips down, this is a buy zone again, but we're bullish, as you can see, right? So with that bias, the only thing you can really do is just do that. Let's take a look at the euro dollar. Let's do euro dollar. Now, euro dollar, let's see. This is 4:30 right on that bar. Market just shooting to the upside. Right, so nothing really to talk about here. What else did I have for Tuesday? 11:40, which is 10:40 on the platform. 12:20, which is 11:20 on the platform. 12:50. So from 10:40 to 11:50 on the platform. 10:40. This is 10:40 bar. 11:50 is there, and then the market comes down. All right, so this is the zone. Let's reset that, as you can see. All right. So hours are fine if you know what you're doing. With the euro dollar as well, I said there's a gap here, so I don't really want to do anything unless we fill in a gap. So Bitcoin was the only option to kind of go long this week from the lows, with the trading days from last week to go up. Let's take a look at the indices, see what happened there. Really watching how the market moves at the right hours is just interesting. All right, so here we are. Okay, same thing here. New York, 4:30, bang to the upside. I drew this line, I think maybe this morning. As you can see, it's hit that and come down. Okay. We also have to keep in mind the trading days for the indices. Now this week, indices trading days are a bit dodgy, so you have to be careful on them. Okay, as you can see, so the market's to the upside. So in today's video, I did warn everyone to be careful, because this week, like every day, there's something dramatic happening. Okay, so best way to be is just be mindful with the indices. All right, and that's how it is. You can then follow this to the next kind of hour, which is going to be 8:30, so it's going to be 7:30 on the platform here. All right, and if you've learned timing from me, like I said, you would put something into 6:20 on the platform, which is there. All right, but basically it's just all on the hours. Once the hours are ticking, also in the indices with New York, you got to be trading the US session. Okay, so you don't have to, but you know, US sessions are more like yesterday here as well, like on Monday. This is the trading hour, bang, and going all the way into the targets. Remember, we had those targets up here. It was like, I think it was 7:45 on the platform, and then I said we could follow it through to even 10:15 or 10:30, somewhere up here as well with the indices. Okay, so just time and price, use them together. You'll know when the moves are coming up. Also, you can box stuff in. I've talked about boxing things in before, and go in the direction. Okay, so there you go. Have a good day.